What's up guys, it's Mila at WTI, and I have a noodle kit by Maruchan in roasted chicken. I think all of us have a guilty pleasure, and this is definitely one of mine. I grew up on this stuff, whether for better or worse, and I love it. Even just the packaging alone takes me back to my high school days, and it's something that I enjoy from time to time, especially when I'm not feeling so well or my throat's bothering me. I just rip open this package, stick it in boiling water, add the seasoning, and enjoy it in a nice bowl. It really does help me feel better. It makes me feel comforted and cozy, and it's just something that I absolutely enjoy incorporating from time to time as a pleasure food or a comfort food. And the flavor is actually really nice. It does taste like roasted chicken, and of course you can adjust the water amount that you use if you want it to be more robust or a little bit less flavored. I love this stuff, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.